here we are in the famous cave, and I'm so excited to see what we have waiting for us.
Well, this is our Genesis, and I'm going to pour you some while Bob explains what this is all about.
Yes, please.
So the Genesis was the first wine we ever made in 2006. The date on the bottle is the date the grapes were picked. So 2006, we picked the grapes. They're all from Georgia. The winemaker actually made this in his garage, our very first wine.
Tell us about the name.
Our daughter, our oldest child, said, name your first wine after the first book of the Bible as your beginning.
Right.
And so we came out with Genesis.
And how many bottles do you sell each year of this? What's a good number?
We probably sell close to 200 cases a year of Genesis.
So what were you guys doing before you opened up the winery?
We started a company called Citigroup.
Oh, yeah, I heard
At
of
the
them.
time, it was one of the largest companies in the world. And then I retired at age 52. We were in Fort Lauderdale having a good time, riding my bicycle on the beach, looking at girls in their bikinis. My wife comes to me, Jane comes to me and says,
I am
do
so
this.
sorry.
she says, Bob, you're not happy.
You are too young to do.
You're not happy.
Retired.
We get to do something different than this. I said, no, I'm pretty happy. I'm okay. So then she makes the announcement, we need a farm. And then we bought this farm, 200 acres.
So did you buy it as a winery already?
No, it was raw land,
No.
totally raw land,
They
nothing
were
here.
So you had to have an eye for
Cattle.
something like that, cattle.
No, we didn't.
Yes.
We had no idea. We had no
We
idea
had
of
to
doing
go to
grapes.
school, and the School of Hard Knocks.
Really?
But we didn't have intention of making wine growing grapes at the time. But a good friend of mine says, Bob, 200 acres, what are you going to do with all that land? Why don't you plant some grapes? That's how this
That's
started.
how it all started.